Hello guys. Today I'm presenting you a demo of food delivery app, right? Similar to Uber Eats, Zomato, Swiggy, or like. So I have three apps in front of me. One is the customers app in the center. On the right we got the store managers app, and on the left we got the drivers app. So I'll show you the order process while placing the order from the customer app, how it goes to the store manager app, and then how the delivery goes to the driver and to the completion, the complete flow. Okay, now in here you'll be able to see the list of stores. Okay, and here are some banners. You can manage it from the admin panel. So I can see the stores based on the ratings, the cuisines they're offering, right? And if they're open or closed, right? If I click on the closed one, I'll not be able to go because this is closed, right? The stores have been closed based on the time, right? Let's say it's like 7:14 here. So this store offers the service till 7 p.m. and after that, if I try to open, it will be closed. I can still filter this list of stores based on, I can sort based on nearby or rating, okay? And I can filter by the, let's say if I choose Indian or the American, right? So then I'll be only able to see those stores. Now I'm clicking on Zuri restaurant, then I'll be able to see the items they're offering, right? Now these items are categorized into two levels, two level of categories. So snacks, breakfast, and the meal are the top level categories, and under that we got fast food, Indian snacks, or Mexican snacks. And if I click on breakfast, I'll be able to see some other items, right? So I'm clicking on snacks, then I'll be able to, if I click on add icon, I'll be able to add the items to the cart, right? Now the items have been added. I can go to my cart and I'll be able to see that total, including these items amount, right? So I can still update the quantity from here, and it will be reflected right there in the payment summary. In here I got the subtotal, I got the taxes, and I got the grand total. Now I'm clicking on proceed to checkout. Okay, here I got two options. Either I can select the home delivery or I can select the store pickup, right? Store pickup, they can save delivery fee, all right? They have to pick up from the store. In the demo, I'm selecting this home delivery option. Now, you'll be able to see two more options: delivery address or delivery time. Address is something, this is automatically selected because we got the concept of default address. Okay, customer still has the option to change it if they want. They click on it and they'll be able to see the list, and let's say click on this one, then it will be changed, right? Then they can select a delivery time if they want to select a time slot, right? They click on it and the time is selected. And then they can put some notes for the delivery guy. They can skip it as well if they're not interested. Then in here, you see that they'll be able to see the delivery amount now. If you want to offer delivery cost, you can add it from the admin panel. If you want to make it free, you can still make it free. Then we are on the payments page. Here we'll be able to choose that if we want to offer, the customer can select, if they want to pay from the cash amount or by the card payment, right? So in here, they can see put the card details. For now, I'm selecting the cash payments. Then below that, we got the discounts panel. I can have the discount based on any promo code or coupon code, right? Or I can use my cashback points. I have 12 points to use in this order, right? So I'll show you how the points, this promo code gonna work. I can type a coupon. I can see the list from here, and if I click here and I apply, you can see the discount is applied and it's 16 units of the currency. Okay, I can still remove it and go to the points and use points instead of the coupons. Then I've used a discount, that's 12 units again, right? Now I can see the grand total, the payment summary, and what will be the amount. And right now I'm placing the order, okay? And the moment I place the order, you'll be able to see, in the managers app, they are notified that order is assigned and there's a new order with order 997. Please accept it soon. So they'll be able to see it right there, and they can open it and they'll be able to see all the details we added from the customer's app. Nice and easy, right? They still got the option to call the customer. They can message the customer. Now we got the good stuff, right? We got a in-app messaging system, or what's the order. If they want to ask anything from the customer, what's the order or anything, they can still put it. Okay, now they can see they also got the option to put some notes if they want to, right? And then they can now, on the customer app, if I go to the home page, I can still go to the orders page just to see my past orders in here. Okay, now it's again the same page, right? Now in this providers app, the store managers app, I'll be accepting the order. So I mean I'm turning off this thing now, just so that you can see the notifications process. So I'm accepting the order. Okay, the moment managers does it, the customer is notified that your order is accepted by the store, Zine restaurant, and will be processed soon, right? And then the manager can process it, then can mark it as ready. Now when the manager mark it as ready, at the same time we're gonna assign this order to the delivery boy. Okay, so I'm onto the managers, I'm clicking on mark processing. Right now it is processed. Now again the customer is notified. Now I'm marking it as ready. Okay, now marking it as ready by sliding in here. Right now customer is notified, right? And at the same time driver is notified that you got a new delivery task. So I mean they got 30 seconds, or you can manage it from the time, but right now it's 30 seconds. I'm accepting it. The moment driver accepts it, customer will be notified that driver is on the way, or like you see delivery boy is on the way, and they will be on the way to the store. Right now delivery boy got the option, they can see that the store location, they can click on it, right, this icon, and from here they'll be able to navigate to the Google app, right, and then they can find the best route to the store location, right? And this navigation can go side by side along to the app. Okay, now after that they can mark arrive. I mean now they're notifying that I'm at the store location, right? And at the same time, we are notifying the customer that the driver's arrived, and they arrived to collect the order, right? And now, once they collect the order from the store, okay, they can start the delivery task. I mean, right now they are leaving the store and going to the customer's delivery location. Okay. Now they have started it, and the customer is notified that the order is collected, and delivery boy has collected the store order from the store and will be delivering it very soon. Now the driver gonna go to the customer's location again, right? And then they will be delivering to the customer. Okay. And at the same time, when the driver is in the delivery, customer got the option to track the order. Okay, so they can click on it just to see where the driver is right now. Okay, so they'll be able to see it in real time. Okay, where the driver is. Okay, now after that, I mean the driver got the option to complete the order, and they can also get the signature from the customer as a confirmation of the delivery, right? And they can add it, and then after getting the signature, they can complete the delivery task. Okay, and this thing the moment they see, they can see, if they want to collect some cash because it was a cash order, they can collect it, and that's how the order is completed. Now, if you see, the order was 997, and it is completed because it has been delivered by the driver. I mean, that was all the order process. Okay, and basically, customer can also see that the order is completed if they want to see, right? And now, once the order is completed, they have got the option to leave the feedback, and they can put some notes, like good job or something, and that's how the job is done. All right, now it's video submitted, and then this is how that was a complete order flow.